This is my Scalar testimonial. I'm going to keep it objective. The first thing I want to say is that the crystals definitely make noise, some more than others. Out of the crystals that I have a black onyx in the shape of a cat that I got from Mexico. That one by far makes the most loudest noise. The second thing I want to get into is urine on the scalar. If you put urine on the scalar, it is going to become lighter in color, and it is going to have more sediment at the bottom. I'm assuming those are minerals and stem cells. It also tastes different. It's going to taste better for the most part. For me personally, the bone marrow and bone growth frequencies really loosened a lot of kinks in my body, and also when I put the urine on those bone frequencies, it, for me personally, tastes the best. I'm assuming that is something that I needed. I definitely noticed it was easier to control my emotions, and my skin got very clear, and I'm assuming that this is from urine therapy and from Scalar, and that they just amplified each other. One interesting thing is that I have had acid reflux since I was 17 years old, and I have been on this health journey for 2 years, and I cleared up a lot of acid reflux, but I still had it when I ate melon. But once I got the Scalar, that stopped happening. And that was a pretty tangible evidence that it was doing something. Another interesting thing that happened was I had put a bunch of frequencies and went to sleep, and in the middle of the night I actually woke up at about 3:30 a.m. and I said, that's weird. So I turned on the laptop, and I saw that it was on brain activity frequencies. So the Scalar woke me up out of my sleep because it was playing brain activity frequencies and brain circulation. The last thing I want to say is I am not over-exaggerating whatsoever when I say that my menstrual cycle has been regular my entire life since I was 10 years old. I have gotten it exactly on time since I was 10 years old, unless I had taken an antibiotic or some type of medication. Otherwise, very strict, just how I've been. And 3 days before I was scheduled to get my next cycle, I decided to put on uterus and ovary frequencies. And instantly, I started my next cycle. Instantly. Within minutes. So that was pretty huge. Like, 3 days is a really big difference for somebody who has been on point their whole life. with their menstrual cycle. So yeah, that was also pretty tangible evidence for me that the scalar was doing stuff. The last thing is I have some cavities, and they do not hurt as much anymore. So that is the last thing I'm going to say, actually. Thank you.